Hi, my name is David, and today we're going to do an oil change on a 1995 3-liter Nissan Quest XC model. This procedure works for all Nissan Quests between 93 and 97, I believe, the 3-liter engine. This also applies to Mercury Villagers of the same years. So to get started, you're going to need motor oil, 5W dirty is recommended, as well as an oil filter. If you use the Purator brand, it is L24457. You're also going to need a 14mm socket. That's one that fits the most for me. So now we're going to go ahead and unbolt the oil drain. So it's right here. I already loosened it. It's hidden right here. I already loosened it, so that shouldn't give you any trouble. If you have some trouble removing a bolt, you're gonna need a breaker bar. So it's right on the passenger side front. You're always gonna need a oil filter wrench, perhaps. That's the oil filter here. So let's go ahead and remove this guy right now. Yeah, it's quite loose. So take a look at it here. So a good strategy for this is to put some force in while you're turning it. That way it just won't squirt out when, you know, and you might lose a bolt. So sorry, I can't really see it that well what I'm doing here. But yeah, see? Perfect. Okay, well, we'll let that drain out for a little bit. Wipe it down as well. So once it slows down to a drip, like so, go ahead and put the bolt back on. We tighten it accordingly with our socket wrenches. It's nice and snug. And move on to the oil filter. So recently I have not been as lucky. I've always needed the oil filter wrench. So if you do get one, I recommend one of these guys. It's really good. Just gonna grip it like this, and then you turn it counterclockwise until it comes out. So let me show you guys again how to do it. Yeah, like that, until it's fully loose. We're going to just use our hands to take it out. So yeah, it's good to have a catch fan there. Okay, so now we've got the oil filter old one off, put the new one. Now the final step is to put 4 1/4 of oil into the new. So let's go ahead and pour it in like so. Well, it's coming out a little bit. So I checked the guide and it says put in 4